and I'll keep celebrating your birthday till we are grey and old.
Oh my god, I apologize, but that's just me.
Hi guys, good morning, welcome back to my channel. If you're a first time subscriber, welcome. My name is Titi Bello and I'm a YouTuber based in the UK. I'm currently on vacation in Egypt, Uganda, and I'm having a good time. Today is my husband's birthday. I think I told you guys in my last video, and yeah, this vlog is about my man. So basically today we are going quad biking here in Uganda, and our trip or our whatever starts for 12:30 today. So let me tell you guys what my plan initially was. So I told them in the hotel, in my resort, that I want them to do a decoration for me in the room for my husband, right? So I told them that they should, since we are good, like before now we're supposed to go out by 11:30. So I told them to do the room decoration after 11:30, so that when we come back from our tour, it would meet the surprise and everything in the room. But unfortunately they changed our timing to 12:30, so I'm like, if we are going out by 12:30, there's enough time for us to do all of those things. So I needed to update them that can they do it this morning. So we are out for breakfast now, so I told them to quickly use this time to decorate the room. We are done eating actually, he just went to sit down outside, so I'm trying to see if I can stall him outside so that I can get the room decorated. At least he will see his birthday gift before we go out, because I'm already feeling some type of way that imagine him having to wait till night before he sees the gift, even though I already told him that I could not bring his birthday gifts with us here because it's a lot, that when we get back to UK he would see his gift. I don't know if he believes me, because I made a post before now talking about how I was trying to fit his birthday gift into the box, so I'm sure he probably saw that video and he doesn't believe. But again, he saw the video but he didn't really pay attention, so I don't really think he picks those information from the video, which would be nice if he did not pick it. That's absolutely fine. So I'm just calling him outside for them to get the room prepared for his birthday gifts, and we just do all of that shenanigans, then we'll go out. But anyways, I wish my husband a happy birthday. Honestly, my wife means so much to me. Like, obviously you wouldn't get married to someone you don't love, but sometimes the level at which you also love people can be different. But I genuinely love my husband so much, and considering the fact that this is someone that I would literally say I grew up with him, even though we didn't meet each other when I was younger or something. It was basically when I was in university. But honestly, it has been a great and good memory for me, if I'm being honest. Like, every time spent with him is just honestly unexplainable. I literally made this video from our wedding clip and I can't stop looking at it. Like, it means so much to me. My wife's such a genuine man. I feel like every year I make this type of post speaking about him, but I can't stop speaking about him enough. And God forbid my husband will not die by God's grace, but I just always like to give him his flowers when he's alive. I always like to tell him how much it means to me. Like, even on days where I annoy him, I will try to make up for it later to let him know that I really do appreciate you, I really do love you, and I wish I can say it all the time. So his birthday always means so much to me, and I always want to go extra mile. You guys, every time I go for my wife for his birthday, I kept on beating myself, saying that it's not enough. I feel like I should have gotten more. I feel like I could buy this. I feel like I could buy that. And I was telling myself, Titi, it's enough. It's okay. But honestly, that's how much it means to me. Like, I wish I could do more. Imagine it's his birthday, and he still booked us this trip. He didn't book it because it was his birthday. He just booked it because he felt like, let's just go and have a good time. He wasn't considering that because it was his birthday. I felt like I should have been the one booking us a trip, because, okay, your birthday, let's go and celebrate. But he's still the one that booked the trip. Like everything, literally. He almost did not want to tell me that I booked this trip, just because, he doesn't want me to go out or anything. So he just said, just take break at work. That's all you need to do. You don't need to do any other thing. So that's why, like, I don't even know how to make vlogs and telling you guys that this is what I'm doing on my trip, because I literally did not do anything. All I do is just show up in the morning and we are out, honestly. And it makes life so easy for me, even though I will still complain while he's doing it. But to be honest, it makes life easy for me. Like, yesterday, we were trying to get into the pool and I didn't have my phone cover, like waterproof, whatever, and he was so bothered and he was like, no, he's not going to get inside the water because I don't have it. I'm like, it's fine, I'll be okay, I'll take care of myself. I don't even know if he would allow me go on the trip on my own, because it just feels like, no, I will not be fine. He always wants to be there to take care of me. You guys, I've used about 3 minutes to talk about my husband. That's for you to know how much I will do this for him over and over again, and I love him so much. I might not be able to say this anymore in this video, so I'll just use this opportunity to say it to him. That's if you watch the video to the end, because that man, I feel like he cringes when he sees me talk about him or talk in general. He will just be swiping. But anyways, I love you so much, Oluwamayowa. If you're seeing this video, you mean so much to me, and I will never ever stop loving you, and I'll keep celebrating your birthday till we are grey and old. So guys, I'm just chilling. This is 10:17. I think the room should be ready by 11. They told me like 1 hour, so I can't wait to see the surprise on his face. God, are you guys ready? I don't know how I'm going to do this vlog. I don't know how we are going to like capture his reaction to his birthday gifts. Hopefully he's surprised. because that guy can be weird. They can be like, but I think I actually got things I really want he would love, so I hope he loves a surprise. But before then, let's go and wish him a happy birthday and sing for him. Happy birthday to you. Gang, gang, gang. What's it, dark? Happy birthday to you. Is dark. Yeah. Yeah, dance. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. I love you so much, my baby. Happy birthday. So tell me, how does it feel to be a 30 plus man?
Feels tiring.
Babe, it's just today that you clocked to a year older.
Yeah, I know, but I'm just telling you, that's why I feel it's tiring. You're the firstborn, you've got a lot of things on your shoulders, so it's just too much. Eh? Mic check 1 2. So good to me. It feels tiring. I don't know. I'm grateful, by the way. To be very honest, I am grateful. Even though it might not seem that much, there's still progress. I think I'm very bad at not acknowledging my progress. I'm very bad at that, and I think I'm probably disrespecting God for doing that. But Baba God, I apologize, but that's just me.
Happy birthday to us.
Us, bow.
No, it's not a birthday.
Not for my birthday. It's just.
I love you.
I love you too. Take a little dress, I beg.
You don't love me.
I do. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
My name is Marawa. I booked hotels.
Kill it to one take time.
Is it the hotel? I booked hotels.
Just talk.
My name is Marawa. I booked hotel.
Yeah.
Are you kidding me? Are you? Are you kidding? Are you serious right now? Wait, how did you do it? Mano! Wow! So all this. Oh my god. Babe, how did you pull this off? Wow, this is nice. Because I'm the one that booked this hotel. I didn't tell them anything about my birthday. So, really don't parents say, I can't carry your birthday gift and everything. How were you able to do this? Yo, Ralph Lauren, Saint Laurent. Hey, you mean Koto? Thank you, baby. These people went all the way. See, happy birthday. They even put the name of that. Babe, how did you do it? So can I open it? Or should I open it later?
If you're ready.
Amina? No, now. Who this fan? This one is there as well. Tell me, how did you complete them? You didn't have the details of these people now. Musha will know, no one that you. God. Iru eti poju. Kiniko. I'm not telling you about this. I'm like, Chibi, I'm the one doing this. So, this is why you needed their details. No, this one last song was what the boss bring. This is it's fans, the boss bring. I swear to God. Smelling like money. Smelling like money. Bro. Smelling like money. What is it? Jesus Christ. Oh, what should you put this? You don't cover yourself. They will just snatch me.
See? Ah, bro, this perfume is so nice. Thank you. Ah, okay. Really? Saint Laurent. Ah. So, wow. Ah, the next one there is going. Hey. The next one there is going. No, babe, I swear. Come here, figure. I'll be listening. I'm close there. You must have not done what I'm funny. You drunk with me. You are ready? Okay. Really? This stuff. Winter is coming. You have to style this one. Ah, God, this perfume is so nice. Guy, like, I'm just doing this thing and I'm already seeing it. Thank you, baby. This one is gonna be. You guys understand this one very time. It's gone. Thank you, baby. Thank you. Really? Are you serious? Babe, it's a lie. Are you serious? Are you kidding me? Champion! Ole! Champion! Ole! And it's your papa. Fuck Chelsea! Gonna someone door. Champion! Ole! Bro! Fuck Chelsea, fuck Man U, Spurs. Who is the other one? I don't even care. Fuck all of them. Champions of England. Yeah, we're me. Let's go. Babe, thank you, baby. I'm too bad, Jerry. I don't. What you need, buddy? What's it done? Ralph. Are you serious? No. Really? No. This is dope. Orange. The color is so nice. Thank you. Show tell you Jesse last one. Them dead. Babe. This is a lot. This perfume is so nice. This one is just for like proper outing. No, babe, we have a lost picture or something like that. You can't use it then. No. Thank you, baby. I said no, see. I didn't even check. Can you go see me? Maiwa. Woo! No wonder this crazy girl is asking me what's my lucky number. So this is the reason why you're asking. Good. I love this club. I love it. Baby. Don't worry. I have to buy your own too. I have to buy the one for this is my one too. Yes. Let's go. Let's go. No. I ain't dope. I swear to God. I swear. Put the mint in there. The next one, babe. Who's the next one, babe? Oh, they said divine. Oh, alone. Thank you, baby. Thank you so much. I love it. I swear to God. Thank you, baby. What the fuck? Bro, I swear I'm so happy. You see this Jesse last one?
I'm at the point in life, if you understand me or not, misunderstand me or not, me, I'm okay. And if you think I'm wrong or not, long as it's what I want, me, I'm okay. stunting. I only care for money. I never care for perfect. As long as I'm happy. See me, I know for sure they know me. Young boy, but I know G. 6 years, no be small thing. And since I entered the game, fatality. The trouble days, sleepless nights, things I see, inside life. I can catch a little things I see. Don't they live to impress nobody. Out my thing, them forget. So even get me, no, no. Oh no. Because who are you to judge me like say you be only past? Can they love my life, give me some mind, that I try so hard. We all be sinners, my body, nobody only bad. And my happiness comes first, never come like to stress, yeah. I be like Terminator. I did deliver. I pass it up time. I be like Terminator. I did deliver. I pass it up time. I be like Terminator. I did deliver. I pass it up time. I be like
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you. Thank you. Hi guys, it's a wrap. It is a wrap. Thank you guys for watching to this point. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And the birthday boy is saying thank you.
Thank you guys.
Bye guys.